Hey guys, so today I'm in front of my castle house, which is actually my first build. So I think I did moderately good for my first build, and today I'm going to be decorating it with you guys. As you see, this is the living room, dining room, all those are going to be rooms, and it's pretty empty. Like, I built some furniture, like one TV and a fireplace, but yeah, I haven't like filled it with stuff. So today I'm gonna be doing that with you guys. So let's start. This is upstairs. Actually, it looks pretty empty. So that's the living room, and now I'm gonna start doing that. I actually have a sofa saved for this. I think so. Wait, the hell? I think it's glitching. Wait, what happened? Why is my storage is not coming? Shit. I hate this stuff when I come glitching down my house. What is this, bro? Wow, now I'm glitched inside my home. Okay, I have to go back inside. What is wrong with these? Okay, finally. Okay, let's start again. Let's start again. Okay, we're gonna try to take like a sofa. I think I have a sofa. Oh, this one. Yeah, I have one. Okay, let's start rotating it, cause yeah. And we also need to color it, cause what is that color, bro? It doesn't fit the theme I've kept. Okay, okay. So I think we need like lights for the living room now, cause like it's pretty empty and it's pretty dark. There's an expensive lamp over here. Why is it that color? Okay, I changed the color to white. As you see, the theme is like pink and white, pink and white. So yeah, I changed it to white. And yeah, I'm gonna add some more details and I'm gonna get back to you. So this is the finished result of the like living room. I put like a lot of lights and then a rug. And then I may have put a litter box, water bowl, food bowl, sleeping place thingy. Yeah, so living room is over. So what should I put here? I don't know what to put like in the middle. Hmm. Well, let me see. I do have a gumball machine. This thing. Wait a minute. Let me unbox it. I bought it. So I have a gumball machine now. So now I'm gonna use that and put it in the middle, like a big middle. Okay, let's go to the gumball. So cute. Wait, let me make it big and then turn it this side so that people can come and take it stuff. Yeah, I think that's big enough. So like the hallway is done, I guess. I have the perfect thing here for here, like literally. See, I'll go to storage and I'll get a piano de cola. Okay, I'm just trying to pronounce it, but yeah. I'll get big one, make it big, and then I just have to put it like this, and then put it like this, and then just need to rotate it and keep it like this. Oh my gosh, it looks bad. I was I was imagining it to be better, like better. Wait, I think this is good. Um, Oh my gosh, the piano's higher me. Fine, I'll make it a little bit smaller. You know what? I'll move this. I'm moving it here in the hallway. Ugh, I hate this. I literally hate this. The hell? Okay, I was levitating in the air. Okay, so now I'm back. Yay. Why is it so dark? My lights are not working? Bruh. Look how many lights I kept. One, two, three. Even the TV has a light, so four. And the expensive lamp thingy, five. And still it's dark. Damn. Must be hard to keep. See? Play piano. What's this? What's the gumball machine do? It does nothing. Bruh, it's useless, but still. Okay, let's go upstairs because I'm bored here. So upstairs will be the bedroom. I need to make a bed for the bedroom. So first I need a bed. Ooh, there's lots of beds. I want to like castle bed. Why did I write Ned? Okay, bed. Um, castle canopy parent bed, canopy pet bed, canopy parent bed. Ooh, this one looks nice. Um, is that it? Is it that small? I'm making it big. I'm literally making everything big now. Okay, rotate it, and put it back. And I'm also gonna color it because, yeah, it looks really bad if it's not colored. So this is it, my bedroom. Yeah. Okay, colored. I don't want it to be the same color as the wall, so I'm gonna change it. Okay, I guess. Okay. Okay, let's start with a bedside table. There's no bedside table. Oh yeah, this is the magic. There's no bedside table. Let's look for table. There's tons of tables, but there's nothing that matches the vibe. Look at a dog table. We have a dog table right here. So, mm-hmm. I think this thing. What is this supposed to do? Wait, I can't see any. Oh my gosh, I just moved my bed. Okay, I'm making it big. This is gonna be a gigantic bedroom. Finally, I have a light. Okay, so I'm gonna paint it. Which color? Okay, fine. I'll make it white. So the table is done. Now I just need a rug or something. Rug. There are many rugs here. I want a royal rug. Okay, there's nothing here. I'm gonna put this. Wait a minute, wait a minute. I saw a royal rug. Where is it? Huh? Did I lose it? The hell? I just. Okay. Breathe, breathe. Okay, you have to go up again. Oh, now it decides to appear? Mm-hmm. Okay, we have two right here. So I'm gonna sell one. Sell. Oh, okay. Now, which one do you want? Mm. I think. Wait a minute. Let me make it gigantic, big. Okay, that's done. That's done. Okay, so I'm gonna color it now because that definitely doesn't match it. Why is it yellow? Okay, okay. This is so annoying. Okay, fine. I'm gonna stop stepping on the floor from on now onwards. Breathe, Neha, breathe. I'm getting so frustrated with these. You know what? I'm gonna skip and I'm gonna tell you guys afterwards. Hey guys, so now I'm done with the bedroom and I've added like walls and a door. So let's open this. Okay, you might see that it's a little bit smaller than what it was before. It's because it's a bed, you need to be able to sleep in it. And mine before was pretty big and I couldn't sleep in it. So that's why I leveled it as big as it could to be able to sleep in. And then there's shelves, there's plants, there's a table, there's a lamp. And that's all for now. Now I've started to build the kitchen, which I'm pretty bad at, but yeah, I'll try. So I have some royal cabinet, blah blah stuff here. So now I'm gonna be like, put it, I guess. Okay, let's start. This part is gonna be the kitchen, cause yeah, it's a kitchen. Get it? Yeah, okay. Because we don't have a kitchen yet. Okay. I just love making everything big. Like, it's my height. Okay, fine. I should make it small. I'll make it small. I think that's small enough. Okay, now here. Come here. And then make it big. Then rotate it. Rotate it. And keep it again. And I'm gonna make like a whole row till like here. I'm gonna add some dishwashers, stoves, etc. And I'll show you the final result. So now I'm like in the kitchen. I made the kitchen. Only the stove is like out of theme. All the rest is like royal. And I also made a cute little dining area. And while building this, I like remembered that I forgot the bathroom. So I'm gonna make the bathroom right like in this small space. And I'm gonna put something in this big hallway because it's like empty. And I'm gonna show you guys the final result. Okay, fine. I'll like bring you places. I'll like do the base of the bathroom, then show you the result. So let's start with bathroom. Oh, first we need a toilet, and there are many toilets here. Okay, so I think we need a shower. Oh, there's a royal palace shower. So that fits in theme. So I'm gonna keep that there. hmm Yeah, that's a shower. And we also need more. Like a toilet. Oh shit. Where are the toilets? Is that all the toilets? Okay, fine. I'll keep a modern toilet because it's the most expensive, I guess. Okay, I'm done with the toilet. Now we need like a wash basin. Where's the wash basin? We need a bathtub, but we need to make it like royal. Okay, fine. I'm gonna say royal here. Okay, only that is royal. Okay, wait. There's little boxes. Wait a minute. Let me go to this and search royal and see all the stuff we have for royal. Raw, royal. Okay, these are all the royal stuff. Let's see. All these are mostly useless. Ooh. Okay, I think I know what to put. There's a royal sink right here, so I'm gonna take that. Why am I making it so big? Okay, fine. I think this is enough. There's a sink, there's a shower, there's stuff. Now we need to build a wall. Bruh, what's this? You know what? I'm just gonna go here and say wall. Okay. Here, let's see. Oh, this double wall panel. I'm gonna take that. And I'm gonna make a wall because, yeah, it has to be a bathroom. I need to make it small because, yeah, the bathroom is small. I'm painting it, and now I'm gonna start with the wall. At the wall, and turn it. And you may have noticed that little small gap there. I'm gonna fix that and show it to you guys. Wait, yeah. So the only place to walk into is here. That's why I'm gonna fix that and make like a floor type thingy. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you afterwards. So now I'm done with everything and I'm gonna show you one last tour. So this is the living room. This is the gumball machine, the piano. Then we go upstairs. Yeah, that's why it's so in theme of. Then comes the kitchen. Then comes like a resting area. Then just an arcade machine. I know that's so random, but still. And there's some stairs here leading to the shower. What is that? Wait a minute. That was not in the. Wait, I'm gonna sell that. Yeah. So this is the shower. This is the toilet. This is the basin. And then comes my bedroom, which is this bedroom, plants, shelves, a table thingy, and a light. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will be posting part 2 of this, so stay tuned for that. That's why I've made another staircase going upstairs. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and see you later. Bye.